Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Charan from Ignite Embedded Systems, and today we are diving into the world of microcontrollers. If you ever wanted to start a program in the ESP32 but we are not sure where we can start, but you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you how to install the Arduino IDE software, set up the ESP32 board and get everything ready for your first project. Whether you are a beginner or just need a quick fresher, you can watch the video. So grab your ESP32, plug it in and let's get started. Make sure to watch the video till the end because I will share some pro tips to help you avoid the basic setup mistakes. But before jumping into the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so you never miss an updates. Now let's get into the video. Open the link which is given in the description of this video. Click the first link, like Windows 10 or newer, click that. And click just download, then just download. Here the download will start. I will cancel this because I already have the setup. Now click on it, right click and click open. If you wanted to follow me personally, you can follow me in the LinkedIn page. The link will be given below. Here is a pop-up and click I agree. I click all user. Next. I agree. Install. After installation, click finish. Then it automatically downloads the basic drivers and basic installation process automatically. And this is the basic interface of the Arduino IDE software. After installation, copy the link for ESP32 board manager and click File, Preferences and paste the URL here and then click OK. Then move to the Tools, Boards, Board Manager and type ESP32. Here we have 2, but click the ESP32 by the expressive systems. Press install. Make sure internet connectivity for fast installations. It need 10 to 15 minutes more. The GitHub link I have provided is an official repository maintained by the Expressive Systems, the creator of ESP32. This link contains the board manager package URL which allows the Arduino IDE to fetch and install the necessary files of ESP32 supports. Essentially, it's direct pipeline to always have the most up-to-date ESP32 support in Arduino IDE. Here we can see the downloading packages. After downloading the package, the installation process will automatically begin, and we can see here. It needs up to 20 minutes for downloading and install the ESP32 packages. Make sure the good internet connections for downloading the packages. Now we successfully installed the packages. After installation, plug your ESP32 board. And type in the search menu Device Manager. Click it. And go to the ports and COM and LPT, click here and it works properly. Here we have ESP32 in the COM5 port. If in case you are not showing the ESP32 board, then you need to install the another package like CP210X and whatever it may be here shown, like CP20 in the Google and download and install here. This link also given in the description, then click download.
Je te m'arrête toujours.
If you wanted to follow our LinkedIn page, you can follow by the link which is given below in the description. And that's it, you have successfully installed the Arduino IDE and ESP32 libraries. Make sure to watch the video till end for the important updates. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for awesome next updates. Thanks for watching.